Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Moto in India, the Moto One Action. So we have done the unboxing and review of the Moto One Vision, which was launched a couple of months back in India. Now we have another device, the Moto One Action. This is the first ultra wide angle action camera on a smartphone. So this is targeted for people who want action camera on a smartphone. We haven't seen action cameras coming out on smartphones. Here we have ultra wide angle action camera on the Moto One Action. So that's a specialty of the Moto One Action. So in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing. We'll show you the features, the hardware options, and how the action camera works, and we'll also show some camera samples we have taken after unboxing the device. So let's get started with the Moto One Action. So the specifications are quite similar to what we've seen on the One Vision. So this is powered by the Exynos 9609 octa-core processor. It has 4GB RAM, 128GB storage. It comes in two colors, blue and white variant. So we have the blue variant with us. It's kind of different blue. It's not the regular blue variant. This is the blue variant we are going to unbox. So looking at the back of the box, you can see that it's a triple camera system, 117 wide angle action cam. Then we have full HD plus cinema vision display. That's a 21:9 aspect ratio. It's quite similar to what we've seen on the One Vision as well. Then we have intelligent performance, 3500 mAh capacity battery, and it also has a primary 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture camera. Then we have the Android One platform, so that means updates are promised. You get 2 years of updates. Android, the next version of Android, and the one coming up next year will also be getting on this device. Apart from that, you also get all the security patches on the Moto One Action. So that's the Moto One Action. So let's get started with unboxing. So there is only one variant coming up, that's the 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage being offered. So now let's open the box and see the device. So opening up, you can see the One Action on the top. So that's the device. So let's just take this out of the case, and I will show you the color. So that's the blue variant. It's not the regular blue variant, it's kind of dark blue, and you can see there is a slight pattern on the back panel as well, very similar to the Moto One Vision. So the difference between One Vision and the One Action is that this is polycarbonate material. The One Vision had glass finishing, but here we have polycarbonate material, but it actually feels quite good because it's an action camera. So polycarbonate actually suits better than glass, because in case of fall it might actually damage the glass. Here we have a 12 megapixel primary camera. Then we have a 117-degree wide angle action camera, and also a depth sensor is included for portraits. And we have the fingerprint sensor, which also has the Moto logo, and the LED flash is included. The power and volume keys are on the right side. The left side also the SIM tray. So SIM tray is having two SIM card slots. It's a hybrid slot. There's no dedicated SD card slot, but you get 128GB storage being offered. Then you get the earphone jack on the top, and the bottom section houses the USB Type-C port and the speaker unit. The speaker is supporting Dolby, so the sound quality should be really good. Now let's boot the device and see the features. Now in between, let's see what all comes inside the box. You can see that the safety and regulatory guide, and also the manual included. So you can see everything is mentioned here. So in case you are interested in SAR value, you can see that the head SAR and body SAR are also included. So you can see this is a hybrid SIM card slot. So that's the device. Now let's see the adapter. So unlike the Moto One Vision, which had a 15-watt turbo charging, this is a 10-watt charger. So there is no 15-watt turbo charging. You can see here 5.2 volt 2 ampere, that's 10-watt charging. So no real fast charger included. Then you also get USB Type-C cable included. So this is for charging and data syncing. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Moto One Action. We have 21:9 aspect ratio. That's pretty unique for a display resolution. We have seen this on the Moto One Vision as well, and it's a 6.3 inches in screen size, 432 pixels per inch. It is IPS LCD display, and 2.5D glass, 84% screen to body ratio included. So that's the display. You can see that the viewing angles are also quite good, and touch response feels pretty smooth. We'll talk about the display in our detailed review after using the device. So this has a stock Android. We have Android 9.0. This is under the Android 1 platform, so you are getting all the updates and security patches on a timely basis. You also get the Moto experience, so Moto Action, and you can see the lots of options are there. Then also Moto display is included. So these are the two features included in the device. Apart from that, you also get the standard stock Android features on the Moto One Action. Gestures and some additional features are also included here. Now let's talk about the most important aspect, the camera. So looking at the interface, you can see that the typical Moto interface. So we have all the options, HDR, then we have settings included here. Let's go to settings. You can see that the video size available for the rear camera is full HD. Then we have 4K at 21:9, 4K Ultra HD is included. Full HD at 60 fps is also supported. Action cam supports full HD at 60 fps and also at 21:9 aspect ratio. There is no 4K on the action cam, but still it's pretty good. And the selfie camera is again full HD support. There is also 4K support for the selfie camera, which is again pretty good. So the camera is almost good for the price segment is being offered. Then we also have a lot of additional options included. So typical Moto camera we have seen, so you can see that a lot of additional modes are included: portrait mode, cutout mode, sport color, then panorama, live filter, slow motion, time lapse. All these features are included. Now if you go to the video recording, this is where the actual action happens. So by default you can see that you can take videos like this. This is how the regular video looks like. Now here there is an option, you can just toggle this. Now this switches to the ultra wide angle action camera. So you can take action camera videos in the portrait mode. That means holding the phone like this, you can take videos, and it actually plays in the landscape mode even though you're taken the video in portrait mode. That's the advantage. So there is also image stabilization included. You can see there is electronic image stabilization. So the good thing is that the company says that this is enhanced EIS for the action camera, so that's something which is pretty good. You can also see, you can also toggle to the regular camera. This also has electronic image stabilization being offered, but the action camera is where the wide angle camera kicks in, and it gets you the best wide angle shot stabilized, and it also has 1080p at 60 fps. So that's the action camera, and we'll be talking about the action camera in detail. We'll do the detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. So the device also comes with a 3500 mAh capacity battery, and this has just 10 watt charging, so there's no 15 watt charger included. So that should be quite good enough for charging, but then it also does not have a very large capacity battery. It's a 3500 mAh capacity battery. We'll have to test the battery. The company says that it can last one entire day with 11 hours of almost video playback. So that's what the company claims. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Moto One Action, the first 117-degree wide angle action cam on a smartphone. So this is the Moto One Action. So we are ready to get the pricing on this device. So company claims that they're bringing action camera to more affordable segments with this Moto One Action. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.